guys, welcome to our channel Broke and Hungry. In today's video, we are going to make vegetarian Seekh kebabs. In a mixing jar, we'll take 1 cup of masoor dal or red lentils. This dal is soaked in water for over an hour and drained. Now in this dal, let's add garlic, green chilies and ginger. Next add cumin seeds. Now we'll grind this mixture to form a thick paste. This is how it looks after grinding. Now let's heat a pan. To this, we'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame on medium. Now let's add this mixture in our pan. Next add 1 boiled potato and keep stirring the mixture for about a minute and let it cool down completely. Mixture is now cooled. I have taken it in a plate. Now to this, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Next add salt as per taste. One teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Next add half teaspoon amchur powder. One tablespoon of corn flour. And 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for binding. Mix it well, and if you feel the mixture is too dry, add water as required. Here I have formed nice dough. Now we'll make kebabs from this. I have taken skewers like this over which I will give shapes to the kebabs. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Our kebabs are now ready to be grilled. Here I have taken a grill pan. You can do it on a normal frying pan as well. Now let's grill these kebabs. Brush oil over them as required. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So our healthy and delicious kebabs are now ready. If you like this recipe, tell us in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Broke and Hungry.